Welcome! Today I am with CAVION Base 5.0 and I'm going to show you how we can add another account to Google Play Store. So we have to simply open the Play Store, next tap on the right upper corner, tap on this arrow and click to manage accounts on this device. Click to add account, select Google, click on email and just input your new email. Then click next if you input your email. Input your password and okay, I'm not going to show password, I just forgot about that. So yeah, input the password and when you make it, as you can see I did, so we have to tap on the next button in the right bottom corner. And right now we have to scroll down and click to agree. And when you go back to the Play Store and tap on the right upper corner, you can see that we are logged in with 3 accounts and you can easily switch between them by simply tapping like that. So, if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.